we're going to make a ranking system based on the database that we did in the previous video. So here are some of the packages you're going to require. Alright, our driver is SQLite. A connection is your file path to the database. So just change this line to wherever you saved it at. SQLite. And we're going to send a query to retrieve the data that we need. So in our database, I just want the date, the adjusted price, the ticker from the database. We run this line. It's going to take a while to retrieve all of it. Might take a while depending on how much data you have. So in this line, I just want to retrieve the tickers. So to create a ranking system, I'm just going to convert the prices to returns and then sum their annual returns, then compare those to the SPY ETF, and then I'm going to see how many years did it outperform it. So to do that, I'm going to do PVL apply, list tickers. So this line here is going to subset the data by our ticker, and it looks like it just finished. So we'll run this line. So I currently have almost 20,000 tickers in my database. So we'll subset temp ticker. And then we're going to convert it into an XTS object. Then order by as date. TF. And the format is 4-digit year, month, day. So that should do that. The column name is going to be our ticker. This is where we're going to calculate the returns. Type. Let's do continuous. I'm going to round everything to 4 decimal places. And then if there's any NAs, I'm going to replace those with 0. And then sum everything by year. Close sums. And then the index format, it just won't be years. So we'll change it to %y. And then return the data. So I made a typo here. Change this to df. Now it should work. So depending on the size of your database, this might take a while, so I'll come back when this process is done. Alright, so after it's done running, you can save the entire workspace using save image and then just naming it whatever you want, followed by .rdata. And I've already saved it, but just to get a further understanding of that, how that works. So I'm going to load it. And it should return everything that I saved prior up to this line. So now I want to merge all the data. Use merge XTS. Our list is all. Run this. And then, so this is going to be our benchmark. We do df spider. So here we have the returns saved by year. And then if you take a look at the data frame, if you take a look at the data that we merged, we see a bunch of NAs, but we'll fix that in a bit. So now we use our ranks function. So we're going to start by calling the stock, omitting any NAs, paste X. So here we're just going to pass through the ticker. And then the dates, we're going to use paste 0 format. Alright, so with this, what line will do is start the data, or start comparing the data where the stock actually begins trading at. So it'll forget the years that have zeros. So we'll test it out. You see that this one didn't start trading until 2019. So our date range should be after 2019. Next, we'll merge the stock with the benchmark. Here we have that. So here I want to see if the stock outperformed the benchmark, and we're going to use if else. So if it did, we'll return a 1. If not, do 0. So in 2019, it did not, but in 2020, so far it has. we'll do, and then I want to return it as a data frame. And in my data frame, it will be the ticker, and then the sum of the years that outperformed the benchmark. So here, so Uber outperformed the benchmark 1 year, and then we'll return that. All right. So we'll run our function. And then we're going to do that for all the tickers. So we'll go ahead and add this try function so it won't break if it encounters any errors. So we'll run that. So with this line, we'll get rid of any nulls that are in our results. I'll apply. Where is? So here you see that we have the same number of results as we do tickers, but some of them are null, so we'll get rid of them by running this line. And now that number drops to 16,000. Now we're gonna rbind everything using rbind list. So this is what our results look like, but we do have some NAs. So we'll get rid of them using NA omit. We have 16,000. Now we have 13,000. All right, so next we're gonna convert our integers here to numeric so we can easily rank them. We'll do sapply. It's numeric. Now we can easily rank them. In decreasing order. Alright, so this is what our results look like. I think some of these might be indices, but it's nice to see a list of tickers we should further investigate. And then this 11 says that out of the past 11 years, it outperformed the benchmark 11 years. So again, it's just a preliminary list, and we should further investigate these tickers. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching.